Yeah, right?
No, we just have leftover. I'll be good next year. It's so nice of them to put these on for us since we're going to be here.
Yeah.
They are good fireworks.
There's some nice colors.
Dude, this is so fun because I can't like zoom.
That's right. 'Cause
Yeah, I
we'll
can't
know
either.
before
It's a
it
very
starts to
little
get into their cars.
picture.
Really close to
It's far away. It's a nice view to look at, though. I don't think the video's going to come out well. Yeah, it's bright. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. I like the different colors. They had some new colors in Boston this year.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
pastels.
This is their grand finale right here.
Wow.
That's looking great, huh?
No kidding, that's loud now, you can hear it. No, it's Hartford, there's gotta be more.
It's still going. Usually after the grand finale, it stops.
I know, what's going on here? That was the finale?
It's like the midway point, maybe.
Oh, wow.
Oh, double whammy.
Where are these fireworks being sent? Being
They're Hartford.
In the middle of the river.
in Hartford?
Yeah, it's Hartford.
On the Connecticut River, right between Hartford and East Hartford.
Wow, that's awesome.
Zoom up.
No, there's no zoom on this.
I think that's it.
That's it. That's fireworks from the chowder pot.